Speedtest measures the path to your internet provider. iPerf3 measures the link between your iPhone and another device on your LAN. That isolates your Wi-Fi from your ISP. The result on screen is an example used to keep this demo repeatable. The iPhone sends traffic as the client. The Mac receives it as the server. Both stay on your LAN, so the ISP is not part of this test. Open iPerf3 on the Mac and enable server mode. The app listens on port 5201 and shows the local address the phone should use. Keep the Mac on the same network as the iPhone. A Mac connected by Ethernet is useful when you want the test to focus on the phone's Wi-Fi link. On the iPhone, select or enter the Mac address. Keep TCP selected and use port 5201. Start with a 10-second run. A longer run can show whether throughput stays stable. The app recording uses illustrative values, so the interface stays repeatable. Your phone will measure your own network. Average throughput is the main number to compare. Minimum and maximum show how much the link moved during the test. TCP retransmits count data that had to be sent again. A high or rising retransmit count can point to interference, congestion, or weak signal. Compare repeated runs before changing your network. Leave the Mac server in one place, then repeat the same client test from each room. Keep the duration and TCP settings unchanged. Name or save each run. The difference between rooms shows where your Wi-Fi link loses capacity, without internet traffic or a remote Speedtest server adding noise. The full checklist and both apps are linked in the description. I build these iPerf3 apps. Keep the same settings in every room, save each result, and compare them. That gives you a LAN measurement you can repeat.